Is there a darker, supernatural force haunting their home? In this video, a man named Sean Austin captured something deeply unsettling coming from his ceiling late one night. The noise was so strange that he decided to hit record, hoping to make sense of it later. What his camera picked up has left viewers questioning whether this was just a random disturbance or something far more paranormal. Listen carefully.
I just heard two ridiculous taps on the ceiling, very loud. It is 8:39 at night. I do not believe anyone would be the heck is that? I don't know if that's an animal or what the hell that is exactly, but have been having weird things happen here on and off. I'm going to be going live here tonight and see what else kind of weird things happen. I do not know what that noise is, if it's an animal or natural noise, but that just happened out of nowhere. I've never heard that before. So let's find out what that's all about. I've never heard that noise before.
Follow for real paranormal encounters.